Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by claiming and verifying your Google business profile within 7 days. Complete every field accurately, including address, phone number, and hours of operation. Choose one primary category and up to 9 secondary categories that match your services. Write a clear description using 3 primary keywords placed naturally throughout the description. Upload a high-resolution logo and 8 to 12 photos including interior, exterior, and product images. Set service areas precisely and add attributes like wheelchair. Ensure your NAP is consistent across your website and all citations. Add schema markup for local business including address, phone, and geo coordinates. Create location landing pages with unique content and 3 targeted keywords each. Publish weekly posts with offers, events, or updates to keep your profile active. Encourage reviews and respond professionally to every review within 72 hours. Monitor local links and citations, correcting inconsistencies as they appear over time. Use Google Business Profile Insights to track clicks, calls, and direction requests weekly. Monitor search queries and keywords that drive impressions and prioritize the top 3. Improve your website speed to load under 3 seconds on mobile devices. Add structured posts and products with pricing and a clear call to action. Run monthly local rank tracking and test different keyword variations every 30 days. Adjust categories, photos, and offers based on performance data and seasonal demand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.